This market moved $1 billion today because of one sentence. The downward trend is dominating. Key headlines: Novartis Selects Salesforce's CRM, Agentforce Life Sciences for customer engagement. ServiceNow, Inc. Now completes MoveWorks acquisition. Here's what you need to know. Divisions at the Fed that define 2025 are expected to carry into 2026. Is Tapestry, TPR, one of the best performing S&P 500 stocks in 2025? Will Zcash price pullback or continue its rally towards $600? Uber Technologies. Uber partners with Lyft and Baidu to launch driverless taxi trials in UK. Analyst report. Accenture plc. Mortgage and refinance interest rates today, December 28, 2025, threatening to slip below 6%. Best CD rates today, December 28, 2025, lock-in up to 4.1% APY, as Tesla faces a new investigation over door safety. How should you play TSLA stock heading into 2026? Best money market account rates today, December 28, 2025. Best account provides 4.25% APY. Morgan Stanley eyes emerging growth for GRAIL. GRAL. As sector valuations reach equilibrium. Wedbush spotlights IonQ's. IonQ. Scaling revenue and robust pipeline in quantum leadership pivot. Legendary analyst reveals 2026 stock, nice list. MP Materials gained 230% in 2025. Should you buy, sell, or hold MP stock for 2026? 6 tips for creating a retirement spending plan. Nike, Inc. NKE, down 10.8% since Q2 2026. Wall Street remains positive. Guggenheim bullish on Abivax. ABVX. Ahead of key obefazimod data readout. Is Navitas, NVTS, one of the best emerging technology stocks to invest in? Here's what Wall Street thinks about California Resources Corporation. CRC. KeyBank notes Redwire's RDW shift to multi-domain defense following transformative edge autonomy deal. How much richer Warren Buffett has gotten over the last 5 years. Nvidia stock had a volatile 2025. What's the 2026 forecast? Needham highlights Rocket Labs. RKLB. Shift to major defense prime after record $805 million satellite award. What does Ford's $19.5 billion bombshell mean for investors? Morgan Stanley names Western Digital, WDC, a 2026 top pick amid cloud capital expenditure boom. JP Morgan cautions on SanDisk's SNDK long-term profitability despite AI-driven SSD supercycle. I asked ChatGPT for the one investment smart seniors should have. Needham highlights vertical aerospace's EVTL execution strengths following site visit to UK facilities. Deutsche Bank applauds Micron's MU consistent execution and technical leadership following record results. Many Americans make this one mistake with their 401(k) and IRAs. Here's how to avoid leaving a headache for your heirs. Investors beware. 2 nuclear energy stocks that may be radioactive to your portfolio. Is Ambev, ABEV, one of the cheap penny stocks to invest in? Technical assessment. Bullish in the intermediate term. Is Nike, NKE, one of the most active U.S. stocks to buy according to analysts? The Mosaic Company, MOS, to sell Mosaic Potash Carlsbad operations. HELOC rates today, December 28, 2025. The equity tapping advantage of 2026. 6 words from Fed Chair Jerome Powell that are likely to haunt Wall Street after his term ends in May 2026. JP Morgan raises Cogent Biosciences, COGT, PT to $67 on sector model update. Costco has tumbled despite higher FCF and FCF margins. Time to buy cost stock? Tomorrow's inflation data could change everything. Subscribe for the next update.